I will now begin Form C. My bulkhead is not broken or damaged and has no holes. My clearance lights are amber in color and are not broken or damaged. They are properly mounted and secured. Check for reflectors. Looking down the side of my trailer, I can see that I have dot reflective tape covering no less than half of the length of the trailer. My trailer frame is not broken or damaged and has no illegal welds. My landing gear is not broken or damaged and is properly mounted and secured. The crank handle is in a secure position. The feet of the landing gear are clear of debris and in the raised position. My marker light, left turn signal, and four-way flasher is amber in color and is not broken or damaged and is properly mounted and secured. I have a light in the same position on the other side of the truck that is a marker light, right turn signal, and four-way flasher and is in similar condition. Check for reflectors. My sliding tandem assembly frame is not broken or damaged and has no illegal welds. It is properly mounted to the trailer. The release arm and locking pins are in the locked position and properly mounted. They are not broken or damaged. My torque bar, the one that crosses to the other side of the trailer, is not broken or damaged and is properly mounted and secured. My torque arms, going from the spring mount to the axle, are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. My front and rear leaf spring mounts are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. My leaf spring is not broken or damaged, is properly mounted and secured with U-bolts, and shows no signs of scissoring. My U-bolts are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. My air lines going to my brake chamber have no abrasions, bulges, or cuts and have no audible leaks. They are properly mounted and secured. My brake chamber is not broken or damaged and is properly mounted and secured. It has no audible leaks. My pushrod and slack adjuster are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. The pushrod has no more than 1 inch of play when my brakes are released. They are located on the back side of my brake chamber. My brake lining and brake drum are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. They have no less than 1/4 inch of material and they have no foreign objects or oil between them. My rims are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. They have no illegal welds. My tires have no abrasions, bulges, or cuts and are properly mounted and secured. The face of my tires are evenly worn and there is no less than 2/32 inch of tread depth. My valve stems are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured with a cap in place and have no audible leaks. This is where I would check to make sure I have a minimum of 100 pounds per square inch in each tire. I would check this with a tire pressure gauge. My lug nuts are all present, are not broken or damaged, and are properly mounted and secured. I see no shiny threads or rust trails, which would indicate a loose lug nut. My wheel hub seal is not broken or damaged and is properly mounted and secured. It is filled to the proper level and has no visible leaks. My ABS light is amber in color, is properly mounted and secured, and is not broken or damaged. My rear corner marker light is red in color and is not broken or damaged. It is properly mounted and secured. My mud flaps are not cut or torn and are properly mounted and secured. They are 6 to 8 inches from the ground. My trailer doors are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured with door hinges and door latches. The hinges are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. The door latches are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured and are in the locked position. The weather seal around the trailer doors has no abrasions, bulges, or cuts and is properly mounted and secured. My 3 marker lights are red in color and are not broken or damaged and are properly mounted and secured. The rest of my lights, left and right turn signals, four-way flashers, brake lights, and tail lights, are all red in color, not broken or damaged, and properly mounted and secured. My dot bumper is not broken or damaged and is properly mounted and secured. It has dot reflective tape covering 100% of it. I am now ready to move on to my in-cab inspection.